Something about that long. Yeah, that looks about right. That's somewhere around center-ish. So I want it to be about that wide. Yeah, that looks about right. And then something about there. Roll. Oh, I did my arms the other day. Let's do this a different way. It's maple. It doesn't look very pretty. Oh yeah, I haven't even used this thing yet. See, it just clips in there. It's clean surface. I'm really looking forward to getting something on here. Maybe some pork butt tomorrow. Sounds good. So there you have it, a grill scraper thingy. Just recently got a new smoker, and I wanted one that matched the grill pattern on that. I have one for my regular gas grill, but I really like these. They're simple, they're easy, it's a fast, fun project, and you can make something that actually cleans the grate very, very nicely and gets a nice smooth surface on there. And it won't hurt a ceramic coating or anything like that that might be on the grill surface. So if you like that, you can make this in whatever shape, size, whatever scrap you have. I made mine out of maple. It's a little more durable, but anything else you have, cherry, walnut, hickory, have fun and try it out, because they are very, very fun and very functional. So if you have any questions on this, let me know those down below, as well as any comments that you have in general, or just want to say hi, or just comment down below, or even those people who like to put snide remarks. Thank you. You guys are the ones that really help us out, because without people putting all those comments down there, or like, share, and subscribing, no one would ever see us. So thank you for that. All the engagement, it really helps out and means a lot. But if you want to go even farther, you want to be one of those amazing people that are listed over here, those are some of the patrons on Patreon. Between patrons and members, those are the people who've clicked the little join button down below, or the thank you button there. Thank you. You guys help us grow. You are the ones who completely support us, and without you, we would not be here. We are completely sponsored by you guys, so thank you. If you'd like to find out more about that, you know what to do. Links down below. I think I'll do it for now, and until next time, have a wonderful day. You can tell I've been having a lot of problems in the shop. I mean, just today, I'm barely scraping by.